Hello everyone, it's Ethan the Artisan here, and today we are building a mock in 1 hour, 10 minutes, and 1 minute. So yes, let's go ahead and start out by getting our handy dandy nifty Kino Pick-a-Brick cup, and we'll give it a little shake and crack it right open and give it a little stir, and we have one. We got the random piece of paper with one of the things on it, and whoosh, what is it? Ooh, Lego Castle. Funny that we got this one because Lego is making a 90th anniversary set, and I think they should make Castle because everyone loves Castle, not Bionicle, but yes, Lego Castle is where it's at, and we're going to be building a mock in 1 hour, 10 minute, and 1 minute in a castle, or with a castle. But let's do it differently and start with the 1 minute mock. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so we're going to start this challenge in 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, we're going to start with wedge plates right here. Where do they go? But okay, and then we're going to add a 6x6 plate underneath like that, a 2x6 right here, and we're going to add this little thing right here as like a little border. I think that's going to be unique, especially for a 1 minute mock. But hopefully we can. Okay, we got it. Then next, we're going to add our little castle right here. So we gotta add just a little castle, sand castle actually. It's going to look super dope, hopefully. We got 30 seconds left, kind of. Not really. But we're just gonna add some cool stuff right there. We're gonna add our little kid, because he spent so much time. We're gonna add something horrible, a annoying little kid. He's catching a frisbee. We're gonna add details right here, like that. And 2, 1. Oh, okay, that's not bad. I like that. Huh, okay. Well, let's take a closer look at this mock. Okay guys, so here is my 1 minute mock, and for 1 minute, this actually isn't that bad. That tread piece definitely helped with a border, because the border is really one of the most tedious parts of a mock, and that little rubber piece just helped with time so much. So yes, if you want to build a mock really quick, grab one of your biggest treads and just build around it. It works quite well. Then we also got just wedge plates right there. It's pretty simple. I wish I could have added more of those 1x1 pieces. But it looks pretty good. We got the 2 minifigures. It's got this little dude is catching a frisbee, but he might fall on the castle, which it looks like it. And this kid is just at a panic because he's been working on this little thing for like an hour, probably more than that. But yes, I really like this mock. I think it has a unique story too for something that really didn't take that long. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the 10 minute mock. Okay, so on with the 10 minute mock. I mean, it's going to be something very similar like we did with the 1 minute mock, which was the sandcastle, but we're going to do something a little different here. We're going to be making like a medieval styled castle, but we're going to do something a little different. We're going to probably add clouds. You see these little ice cream pieces right here. We're probably going to make like a cloud castle, a castle on a cloud. So let's go ahead and get on with the 10 minutes. So 3, 2, 1, and boom. Okay, we got 7 seconds left. We got 4, 3, 2, 1, and it is complete. Well, that actually went better than I thought it would, so yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and show it off. Okay guys, so here is the castle on a cloud, and it looks really cool. It's got a nice border using those ice cream pieces or smoke pieces, whatever you want to call them, but I attach them like that, and it creates a nice circular border on the top, and I really like that. Then I just place a whole bunch of those pieces just to floof it up. We also got a little nice road, or I guess a drawbridge or whatever, and we also got the really cool castle wall. It's using textured bricks and those 2x2 circular bricks as well, with some little cone pieces on top, and then with the inside it's got a really cool like tall castle slash palace thing. It's pretty cool, I think. But yeah, it's got some newer tile pieces, which are really cool, and I'm very happy. And to finish this build off, I added a little flag to the top. So yeah, that looks really cool, and I'm very happy with how this model turned out. So yeah, so let's go ahead and move on to the 1 hour mock and see what we get done. Okay guys, so on with the 1 hour mock. This thing is going to be, I actually don't know what we're going to do. I'm thinking Lord of the Rings though. I'm thinking like the Tower of Orthanc. That would be pretty cool if I can do like a miniature scale of that. I know it's not really a castle, but I want to build it. It's castle-ish enough to where it's we're going to do it. So yes, let's go. We got the clock set for 1 hour, so let's go ahead and start it in 3, 2, 1, and boom. Okay guys, so here is the 1 hour mock, and this is from Lord of the Rings. It's the Tower of Orthanc. It looks really cool. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It was definitely rushed, as you can see the terrain, and even during the time lapse I started in the front, I was able to get the details down, but in the back you can kind of see it was a little rushed. But I think for 1 hour this mock looks really good. I'm using that same border that I used for my Tensegrity. I really like that border design, and I really am excited to use it in future mocks. As you can see, there is the tower. It looks pretty cool. I use a lot of pretty intricate designs, like those little levers inside the grills. That's pretty cool. And then I even use one of those little things back that was originally you put the studs in and it would shoot the studs, but it's that little piece right there. It looks pretty cool. I think it works quite well with the little tower. What was really cool about this was I was able to cover, the not as much detailed places that I didn't really get a lot done with water, which looks really cool. I really like the little ice cream pieces again that I add right there, just to replicate like the crash of the water, the white part of the water. All in all, I'm very happy with this little build. And yeah, so let's go ahead and show all the mocks and compare all of them together. Okay guys, so we got the 1 minute mock right here pretty cool for 1 minute. I think I did pretty good. I mean, 1 minute is not a lot of time. Usually in the past they have been pretty horrible, but this is it's actually a nice mock if you think about it for only 1 minute. Of course I would have loved to add tiles and even the castle, make it a little bigger, but I think it's perfectly fine. You know, I got the minifigures, they're really cool. And moving on, we got the 10-minute mock, which I'm not gonna lie, this one looks really cool. I like this mock. You know, it's got the ice cream pieces right there, which represents a nice cloud, which I love. I connect them all together to create a circle, then I just fill it in with the castle, I use these little textured pieces right there, you know, the 2x2 circular ones and the 1x2 textured ones as well, with the castle using various different tiles and all that. And then to finish it off, I add this dark red piece to represent the flag. And moving on to the 1 hour mock, I love this one just because I love Lord of the Rings. I don't know if I got everything right. I didn't look at a picture or any of that, with the terrain and stuff, so I don't know if it's good or not. You know, I don't even know if it's dark tan. It could be tan or brown. I don't really remember. But, you know, we got the little brown pieces. They represent the little, sorry, but I'm calling them the little tree guys. I forgot the exact name of them, but you know, they're fighting, so that's cool. And then we got the Tower of Orthanc, looks really cool, and the wave, which I love. And then we got the border. I love it. So yeah. Well, be sure to comment which one is your favorite, and yes, let's go ahead and get on to the outro of this video. So, which mock was your favorite? I would love to hear down in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like and consider subscribing. And yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great and wonderful day. Bye bye.